kiramu era President Museveni yakiddawo n'agamba nagezaako okuggyako buli muntu kuwa ekitiibwa Nsereko naye Anita Among yagaana n'agamba bwe ntunda Nsereko kitegeeza naawe nsobola okukola ki era President yakiddamu ng'agamba abantu nti sisembye Anita ono kuba sipiika lwa nsonga egi mmwe mumanyi ebyammwe naye nze mumanyi bw'aba agaye mpagira ggwe aba awagira ggwe paka bwakutanaga mukama wange kaakati wali wawedde kati mpagira ono era n'akiddamu nti namumanyira kuona Nsereko kwe nasinga okumanyira amaanyi ge kuba nali ngamba abantu mumuve ku Nsereko ng'ono bw'abasika muddeeyo ku Nsereko ne maani oyo ansumbuwa President we yasooka okujja n'atuula naga nansitula ntuula embala akalulu nga nkakubiraawo naga namukubiranga essimu nga mulaba n'agijjako naga mulina abantu bameka wano asobola okujjako essimu yange abantu bonna ne bagamba bwe tugirabira mbagamba naga we yagijjangako era n'amugamba nti bwe naalya mu Nsereko ne mulyamu olukwe kitegeeza naawe maaso eyo nja kukola ki meaning she is reliable. Honorable Speaker, Commissioner Afoyochan is also here, and the Honorable Wetuongola is here, but there is also Honorable Kawalia is seated outside. The history Honorable Wetuongola has is that when her late mom was in ICU during COVID time, at the same time Alhaji was also in ICU. So Alhaji's team was attending to her late mom, and that's how she knew that they knew that her mom had passed on during that tough period. So Alhaji used to go with Medi, who is in UK now, and pick up the food for her late mom and take twice because no one would enter during that tough period. Thank you for not forgetting and for standing with us. There are very many people that worked with Alhaji in Radio Uganda, UBC, where he served, I think, from 1972 to about 1997. Then he joined and became the first speaker of KCCA. When this position of speakership was introduced, he was elected as a councillor and became the speaker under the late John Sewana Tizito. And he chaired the organization of speakers. He was the chairperson of the Speakers Association, Local Government Association of Uganda for quite a long time, until he was appointed under the city of Chenjojo when he retired. He did contest again at the request of the president, and he was appointed RDC. He was retired as RDC and deployed again to the UBC as a director. The position he served until his contract expired, and he retired recently. He has been living at home and doing consultancy. So he was a journalist by profession and training. He went to Senator Mandal Primary School, which is Batman Primary School. He was born in Kampala, and then later to Chibuli Senior Secondary School, where he also advanced to UMI. He was part of the Ghana Management Institute's alumni, and also went to Azhar University in Egypt, where he graduated and performed very well. As a journalist, he performed with accolades and served his nation through different regimes, from Right Honorable Speaker, this is our son, Liam Rahim Nsereko, a grandson, and there are many grandchildren. You can say salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum, everyone.
So go and kneel and greet the Right Honorable Speaker. That's the acting last born, is not the last born. Right Honorable Speaker, there are different families that associate under the Misbah Din of Nakuru. That Nakuru team where there was Dr. Chikuru, the late, that team is all here, well represented. That's why they are here. And Mulangira Kasim Nakibinge has already confirmed that prayers for Al-Hajj will be held tomorrow at Shibuli Mosque, where after we shall proceed here to Bulika Nama, after Nama Ojoro on Ginger Road. It's a few minutes from Ginger Road. It takes a few minutes for you to get to the burial site. Right, Honorable Speaker, without wasting your time, because you have to chair, this is Mama, senior Mama. When I say our uncle, the senior Mama on Mami's side. Al-Hajj Sheikh Luwalira there is his confidant, as many sheikhs. OHT1 is the Robert Kasule Omtaka. Worked with Al-Hajj for a long time and is the presidential advisor on the issues of Uganda. We recognize you, sir, and we recognize your distinguished work. Mr. Rwamagana is from the Council of Elders Habib of the National Resistance Movement in Kampala, and is also seated here. He worked with Al-Hajj. Muzei Kagwa Kafero is also struggling with cancer, but is doing very well. He lived and worked with Al-Hajj. Professor Gerard Mutumba is our uncle, is our blood. In our blood we have Christians and we have Muslims coming from the same root, and we coexist very well. Is our uncle, paternal uncle, and the Deputy Supreme Qadi of Kampala, who deputizes Sheikh Ruswadi. Yes, Sheikh Sekaja, Office of the Supreme Mufti, is also here. Right, Honorable Speaker, we only have to thank you. You know Al-Hajj in person, and you're a friend of this family. Thank you for coming, and thank you for associating with us during this time of grief. When our parents passed on, I was there, and you were also here. For sure, we need nothing from you. All we need is your companionship, and you've shown it. Your friendship, and really honoring your speaker, from your speaker's alumni. For me, it's the pride he would have looked for. Al-Hajj didn't want a lot in life. Panado knows. You always told him, Panado momo no nye. For me, small is enough. And we are proud that you're here. We really, really, really are proud of you. As a family, you're here as a friend to the family, but as also the speaker, the number 3 of this country. And we appreciate it. Let us be. Yeah, so, Right Honorable Speaker, if you want to say something, you will say it to us in confidence anytime, but I would like to take you through to the public to share your words with them. Hajati